G'day guys, Shaka back from Trigger here with another quick how-to. So basically anyone who's bought a blaster from us at Trigger and has the ultraline gearbox in it, I wanted to show you guys how to program your MOSFET, because a lot of people sort of have them and aren't sure exactly how to program their MOSFET. So we figured we may as well put a video out for you guys and help those people that are curious to learn how to program their new eshooter MOSFET in their ultraline gearbox. So they do come standard with the ultraline, in case you didn't know. So yeah, let's plug a battery in and see how she goes. Now what you're going to find is you do need to set it in safe. So let's just say I plug the battery back in and it's in semi. What will happen is it won't actually fire. So you do need to set it to safe and then bring it back before you can actually shoot the blaster. So from factory it'll be safe, semi, full auto. So programming happens in safe. So what you want to do is hold the, let's see if I can get the sound for you. So you'll hear it beep. So 3 beeps is now we're in programming mode. 2 trigger pulls will put it into precock and then adjust the precock. So 3 trigger pulls will be setting your semi to binary. So 1, 2, 3. And now we have binary and semi. So you can see there, when you pull the trigger it shoots, when you release the trigger it shoots. We can then go back into programming mode and pull the trigger 4 times, which will be auto is now burst. Now we can go back into semi, safe, and if we do 2, so those looking for more trigger response, you do 2 trigger pulls. Now we're in precock, so we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can do 1 trigger pull is 1 increment, 2 trigger pulls is 2 increments, 3 trigger pulls is 3 increments, 4 trigger pulls, which I just did, is 4 increments, 5 trigger pulls is full precock. So if we pull the, it's in binary. Makes it very responsive, and full auto burst. Then we can, if you want to reset it, just hold the trigger down for 8 seconds. So now it is in standard mode. And that there is how you program your eshooter MOSFET. It does have a pretty blue light in the bottom of it. But yeah guys, so if you have one of these MOSFETs, you want to know how to tune it, just follow the instructions on this video and it'll all become second nature soon enough. Once you program it a few times, you'll know exactly what you're doing. So just remember, safe is your programming mode, 3 beeps, now we're in programming mode, 2 trigger pulls is enter precock mode, 3 trigger pulls is semi to binary, 4 trigger pulls is full auto to burst. And when you're in precocking mode, 1 increment is 1 trigger pull, 2 trigger pulls is 2 increments, and so on and so forth. Reset your MOSFET, hold it in for 8 seconds and safe, and you're good to go. Hope this helps you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.